Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor, coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today I'm going to walk you through the Surveyor Legend 2023 19 RBLE couples coach. We've got a ton of exciting things to show you for 2023. Let's get into it. All right, we're standing in front of the Surveyor Legend 19 RBLE. This is the 2023, so we've got some exciting new features up front I want to show you. This unit is under 24 feet, 23 feet, 7 inches, and it's under 4,000 pounds, sitting here at about 3,900 pounds. So easily half-ton towable, but can also be towed by some mid-sized vehicles out there, but very versatile in terms of size. You can take it to a national park, take it off the grid, very easy to tow. So keep that in mind. Let's talk about some standard features you're gonna see in 2023. Powered tongue jack up front. It's got the manual override. You can see it's got the hitch light here as well. You've got a 7-way holder, so you got your 7-way plug here. This helps get it off the ground, out of the debris, snow, dirt, etc. You've got plenty of room for a battery up front. You've got a single propane setup on these single axles. Keep that in mind. Single propane setup, but it does come with the cover. Very nice feature. And then you've got two great features here. Battery disconnect, which you're going to see on all of our products, but standard TPMS, standard tire pressure monitoring you're going to see in 2023. This is going to be an incredible feature for you. Going to give you a lot of peace of mind as you're traveling down the road, help you get off the road safely. If you do have an issue, it's going to monitor tire pressure, also heat, and it's also going to give you some alarms if you have a slow leak or a fast leak, help you get off the road safely. Let's head around the corner here. I'm going to show you the pass-through storage and also the outside kitchen setup. All right, let's check out the storage in this 19 RBLE. Great pass-through area here. You've got magnetic door catches, slam latch baggage doors up front. We've also got a nice 3/4 inch drill blade up here with the holder that's going to help assist with these manual jacks. You've also got motion lighting up here, but you can switch it to non-motion if you want, but a very nice feature if you have your hands full. But these magnetic door catches are really going to come in handy, especially if you have kids that are always getting in and out of the trailer. But we've got a beautiful pass-through area here, nicely finished off. We've also got aluminum bed bases here, part of that just great structure that we've got with Surveyor construction, so keep that in mind. As you guys know, in the Grand and the Legend series, you've got a standard outside kitchen on every single model. That's very rare in the lightweight segment. You've got a really cool outside kitchen setup here. You've got a bracket that slides onto the track that you're going to see on the outside of the unit. You're going to get a prep table and also a Suburban Elite Series griddle that's going to be standard equipment, but just a very cool area. And as you can see, it does sit nicely underneath the awning, giving you that shade, giving you that area to entertain and hang out, so very cool. But this awning stretches almost the entire length of the trailer. You've got outside speakers out here, LED strip light, just a great outside area for you to hang out. Before we head to the back, I want to point out a couple more things. You've got aluminum wheels standard on all of our models, but you have it here on the 19 RB as well. You've got cable and outside power hookup as well. And we've also got another great feature for 2023, the black glass entry door. Very good look. It's got a window in it. It's also prepped for a slim shade that you can get aftermarket. But keep in mind too, it's got a friction hinge on it. So it's going to stand up to some gusts of wind, stay open for you if you have hands full. Kids going in and out, a really nice feature. You don't have one of those cheap latches on the door. You've also got MORryde steps that are standard equipment on all of our models. So keep that in mind as you're looking around as well. You've got the MORryde step above step, very easy to adjust the legs, wide steps as well, and you have the cutout, the Surveyor name, and it's backlit as well, so when you have that porch light on, it's going to be a safety light for you, a very nice feature. All right, let's head around the back of the unit. I'm going to show you some more features. All right, we're in the back of the 19 RBLE, some great features back here for you. Standard roof ladder, you're going to see that on all of our Grand and Legend models. We've got our optional cargo rack here with the spare tire mounted to it. Very versatile setup. You can haul firewood, generators, coolers. If you want to take bikes with you, you can strap those down as well, but a very cool setup there for additional storage. You've also got the backup camera prep as well. You can add that backup camera setup aftermarket, but a very cool setup. But going back to the roof ladder, we've got a fully walkable roof, 16 on center trusses, so a very nice structure up there if you want to get up there, do your maintenance, clean your roof, etc. So a very nice setup here in the back of the 19 RBLE. Let's head to the entry door. I want to show you a couple things and then head inside. All right, before we head inside, a couple things I want to show you. You've got some additional storage in the back here. Additional storage, nice little area if you have some additional pieces of equipment you want to take with you. Again, MORryde step standard. Also, the new black glass entry door, again, on a friction hinge, makes it very easy to get in and out without damaging anything. And also you got the oversized grab handle. Let's head inside. A lot of stuff to show you in there. All right, we're inside the 19 RBLE. Very excited to show you some of the interior features we've got for 2023. Let's talk about the bedroom first. Very nice bedroom setup. Walk around bed, as you can see here. This is a 60 by 80 residential queen. Just keep in mind we've got that across the board on all floor plans, even our Murphy bed setups, which is very rare out there. But check it out, the storage you've got here in the 19 RBLE. Overhead cabinet doors. This is an update for 2023 in all the single axles. You've also got oversized wardrobes here. Nice cubby storage with power in the back. And then you've got power and USB on both sides. And even some additional storage underneath that's going to be gas strut assisted underneath that residential queen bed. And then around the corner here we've got your TV area. You do have a standard TV for 2023, so all your Surveyor floor plans are going to have a standard TV. You've got a 28 inch TV here, which is a really nice setup, but it is on a swing arm, so you can swing it to the bedroom, swing it to the dinette area, which is really nice. Let's talk about this dinette area. You've got a 4-person booth dinette. Very comfortable seating area here. You've got windows in the slide outs for extra ventilation and a huge panoramic window here in the slide out, but a ton of space here for 4 people. What's nice about these booth dinettes compared to smaller U-shapes is that you can actually sit 4 people here very comfortably. If you want to sit here and play cards, eat dinner with the kids, adults, very easy to do that. But you've got a nice big table set up here. Nice decorative light. But I want you to pay attention to how tall the slide outs are. When you're out looking at competing product, these are very comfortable to step into. I'm almost 6 foot tall and I can step right into it without even bending my head down. So a lot of space in here. You also have the nice decorative light above the slide out, so for some additional ambiance. I want you to pay attention to the easy access storage that you're going to see in this floor plan. So very easy to access the dinette storage area. I'll show you how this works. Again, this is called Easy Access. We named it that because it gives you full access to this storage area. If you have blankets, things that fall to the back of this dinette area, very easy to access compared to a small cabinet door that you have to try to reach through and grab your things. So just keep that in mind. Very easy to break that down and access, and that is called Surveyor Easy Access Dinette Storage. You're going to see that on all of our floor plans. So keep that in mind. Let's head into the kitchen area. Alright, let's check out the kitchen of this 19 RBLE. Ton of great features in here and some new stuff for 2023 I'm excited to show you. Let's talk about this Furrion black glass refrigerator first. 10 cubic foot. Now guys, I want you to keep in mind this is going to be almost double the size that you're going to see in comparing floor plans. You're going to see a lot of single axles out there with 5 cubic foot, 6 cubic foot refrigerators. This is 10 cubic foot, so almost double the size, but a really cool look. And a very nice piece of equipment there. We've got a brand new setup here for 2023 in the kitchens of our single axles. You've got a nice high-end cooktop here, this Greystone cooktop. It does run north to south to give you even more counter space than you had before. And it allows us to put a bigger sink in here. So you've got a huge sink in this single axle, ton of counter space. You also have the countertop extension here by the entryway. But we also gave you a nice functional setup here with the sink cover. It's got slots in it here, so it's going to allow you to work in the sink but also dry your dishes at the same time. And then we've got some beautiful overheads here with the black glass, giving you some additional storage here. But we've also got plenty of drawers down below, full extension drawers on metal drawer guides. But just a ton of storage in here for a 23-foot unit. You also have a convection microwave here, standard equipment. You don't always see that in single axle setups or units this small, but because you don't have the oven in here, we give you the convection microwave. You can bake in it, grill in it, do a lot of cool things there. And then before I move on, I want to show you this residential cutting board. We've got standard equipment here. It is going to hang on a mount right behind the cooktop, but it is real wood, food grade tested. So a very cool feature you're going to see in all Surveyors for 2023. Let's check out this back end before we head into the bathroom area. You've got a huge pantry here next to the thermostat. A ton of additional space. At this size, you often don't have a pantry, but I'm telling you, you have a ton of storage in this 19 RBLE. From all the bedroom storage to the kitchen to this pantry, you can take anything you want with you. And then we've got, of course, a nice little area here. And before I forget, we've got a central vac that's standard equipment for 2023. We've got our marketing material here that's going to show you where that central vac is at. Very easy to use. You kick it up with your foot and you sweep into it. Very cool setup. It is going to come with an accessory kit as well that has various hoses and things like that. But just a really nice setup. Again, that's going to be standard equipment on all Surveyor product. Before we head to the bathroom, I want to talk about the AC setup we've got here. 15K AC, Furrion AC standard equipment. So you're going to have 15K airs on all of our Legend and Grand floor plans. That's a huge upgrade from the 13.5 airs that you're typically going to find out there. So just a big upgrade at this price point and this size. Let's head into the bathroom. Let me show you some more features. All right, we're back in the bathroom of the 19 RBLE. We talked about all the storage you have in the living area. A ton of storage in this bathroom. Huge wardrobe here for linens, whatever you want to take, towels. Ton of storage there. You've also got a nice residential setup for towel hooks here right above the toilet. You've got a fan here in the skylight. You've also got a medicine cabinet. That's a residential look. You've got some nice built-in storage behind it. Toothbrush holder, standard as well, but just a really cool setup and a beautiful look. You've got Surfex countertops here. That's one thing I did not mention in the kitchen area. You're going to have Surfex countertops throughout this entire unit. No T-mold, scratch, stain, and chip resistant. You've got a nice size sink here and also a nice residential backsplash as well. You've also got a toilet paper holder here that you're going to see around the corner. And then a nice upgraded shower door. You've got the Irvine black shower door here. This is a huge upgrade at this price point. We've also got a nice skylight here. So if you're a taller person, you're going to fit nicely in the shower. But a huge shower here, but just a ton of overall space in this 19 RBLE bathroom. Let's step back outside and we'll wrap it up. All right, we're wrapping up this 19 RBLE tour. A couple things I want to talk about before we finish up. Surveyor construction, we talk about it all the time for you guys that follow us. We've got some of the best construction in the lightweight segment. We're using Azdel composite material behind the fiberglass. So everywhere you see fiberglass on these Surveyors, you've got Azdel composite material protecting you from water intrusion, protecting you from rot, mold, delamination. We also have aluminum framing throughout this entire unit. So every hole you see on this unit, a baggage door, window, etc., it's framed out with aluminum. It's going to make your product more durable. And it's going to stand the test of time better than other products out on the road, so keep that in mind as well. One thing I didn't mention is the fact that we've got a sealed and a heated underbelly on this unit. Again, something that's very rare at this size and price point. You've got a sealed underbelly giving you that protection, but also a dedicated heat duct to that underbelly that's going to keep you warm. So you're really set up nicely for extended season. Plus, we offer what's called an Arctic package. If you're somebody that really wants to camp late into the season, you got heating pads available to put on those tanks, so just keep that in mind. But one more thing too, we talked about Azdel composite in the walls. You've got laminated walls all the way around this unit. Laminated side walls, rear walls, slide outs, and floor as well. So again, giving you that additional durability, and again, just going to help the product stand the test of time, but be a nice quality product for you as long as you want to use it. So keep that in mind. But again, thanks for joining us. 19 RBLE tour. Again, this is a under 24 foot, under 4,000 pound Legend floor plan, part of our sub 4 series we call it, because it's under 4,000 pounds, but very versatile floor plan. Really nice couples coach, ton of space, ton of storage in there, but again, very versatile. You can take it anywhere, so keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can go to our website. That's www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor.